Tia Tol and Ning. So we are here to commemorate the Cornish Rising of 1497. In that year, the tyrant king, Henry VII, imposed heavy taxes to fund his war with Scotland, and the Cornish rose up against unjust taxation. Hema in Camborne, John de Rosewarne, Junius and Sordian, Abel Mab, Nessa Arluthan Manor, Everett Ledia, Gobrinorion, Ilbaz, Dres and Tamar, Bees and Parasols del Hevel. So here in Camborne, John Rosewarne, Old Rosewarne, joined the rising. As second son of the Lord of the Manor, he probably led his father's tenants across the Tamar into England. And vassal Blackheath, a warver intra Lou Pernuit, a Lou Mictor and Hicker site of Barsors, and Lou Pernuit, a Olnegius Mictor and Hicker in Fur, a Calzio Scroof in Londres. Lou and Mictor, a Wanius and Battle, a Catcher Hembrinkizzi and Fernolian, and Battle on Gaz Jip, Resin Sordianzo Pernuit, Neil Pipkins at Tree Blevin. So the Battle of Blackheath was fought between the Cornish army and the army of England's King Henry VII. The Cornish army badly frightened King Henry and caused panic in London. The King's army won the battle and captured the Cornish leaders, and the battle was the main conflict during the Cornish Risings of 1497. So, Grimly Canna, War Bath. Let us sing together. And if anyone wants to join in, I do have some words here.